I have a modine pa50a natural gas heater. None of the wires are connected. I want to know how to wire it with a thermostat. Everything seems to be in working condition. It's 0LD, 1970, and can't find any wiring diagrams. It also has a combination overheat limit and fan switch. 120V gas valve serial hash.
Hi, I am Dan. I can help you with this. Are the factory wires connected at least? Or is anything connected?
Nothing connected and want to add thermostat.
Okay, the easiest way to help you would be if you can take a picture of all of the components and the nameplate of the heater, and I can show you exactly how to connect all of the wires. Instructions for attaching files.
I can't seem to upload any pics. It lets me take pic but then no pop-up window. It's a black and WH. Wire off valve. -2 black off fan, red black and blue off over limit / fan switch. I will try to get a pic to you. I found this question on here from 2 years ago. Was answered by Tim H.
Okay, without a wiring diagram, or being able to see what components you have, it will be very difficult to help you and make sure it is wired correctly. It may be best to have a technician come out to help you with it.
Here you go.
Okay, do you have a multimeter to test continuity? Okay, the only thing I can't see is the NC and no contacts on the fan limit switch. 2 of those wires should have continuity and the other one should not. I need to know which 2 have continuity and between what 2 don't have continuity.
Blue and black.
Blue and black have continuity or don't? Do you have continuity from black to red?
Blue and black have continuity. I'm guessing the blue goes to the valve and fan and the red ties in with the neutral for overheat limit sensor.
Okay, first you will need a line voltage thermostat. Just to clarify, the hot line coming in is L1 and then a neutral. Connect L1 to the black wire from the limit switch, connect the blue wire to one side of the thermostat. Connect the other wire from the thermostat to the black wire on the gas valve. Connect the red wire from the limit switch to one of the wires to the fan. Connect the other wire from the fan and the white wire from the gas valve to neutral.
Got it. Thanks, your help.
Okay, let me know if you have any more questions. If this helps you, I would appreciate it if you could rate me on my service by selecting one of the 5 stars. Thank you for using JustAnswer.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.